Good morning, everybody. I am very honored to be here to represent myself as well as CCLB and talk about myself, just talk about, where I'm from. My name is Cara Jones. I'm 25 years old. I was born in Gardena, raised in Hawthorne. I learned about the Corps from just one random day, scrolling through Indeed. I figured that I needed something different than what I was regularly used to in terms of work. Around August 2020, that's when the pandemic was kind of kicking off. I was kind of in like a depressive state. I figured, I need a big change. And I joined the CCC over at the Los Pinos location in Lake Elsinore. And that's where they partnered up with Cal Fire and we did wildland fire training. After I finished the year program, I realized that what I got out of that was more personal goals that I achieved. And now, fast forward to 2023, I'm here at CCLB and I figured that, I got my personal goals reached. Let me start to go towards my career goals. So right now I am working with the River Rangers as a crew lead. This is my first time being in that leadership position, and I'm very honored that they saw me as that type of person to, lead others and inspire others as well as teach others. Just the fact that I've always been interested in restoration projects and beautification projects. So being able to work at the parks and, weed abate and also just take care of the general area, that means a lot to me. I like seeing the city be beautiful. So.
Do you like the public interaction part of it?
Oh yeah,
100%. You're going to be a park ranger.
Yeah, exactly.
Make sure you like talking to people.
No, exactly. Yeah.
Good. Well, congrats.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Any questions or anything?
For education-wise, I've always been interested in coding. So if I could go that route and also apply that to environmental efforts as well, that would be the ultimate goal.